Recently, I earned $800 online using just Google and a simple copy-paste system. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can do the same even if you're a beginner with no prior experience. All you need is a computer or a smartphone. Firstly, navigate to a website called listverse.com. This site hosts numerous top 10 blog articles on various topics such as top 10 Great Depression foods that are actually tasty or 10 iconic movies and TV restaurants that are actually real. These articles are not created by the website itself, but by individuals like you and me. This simple technique can be used to earn money online easily. All you need is Google and the copy-paste system that I'm about to demonstrate. This method is completely free and can be used anywhere in the world. On the website, scroll to the top, click on More, and then select Write and Get Paid. This will lead you to a page where you can read the rules and familiarize yourself with the platform. The key point here is that they will pay you $100 for your efforts, and you don't need to be an expert. The process is simple. Write a list with a minimum of 10 items, send it in, and if they decide to publish it, they will send you $100 to your PayPal account. For every top 10 article you submit, you earn $100, so if you submit 5 articles, you earn $500, and if you submit 10, you earn $1,000. Next, I'll show you how to generate these articles using artificial intelligence, so you can start earning immediately without doing all the work yourself. As I mentioned, this process is straightforward. Follow my steps and you could earn your first $100 today using this method. Don't forget to like the video and comment your country name below, so I can continue creating videos that are relevant to your location. Next, navigate to ChatGPT. You can simply type ChatGPT into the search bar and click on the first link, or directly visit chatOpenAI.com once you're on the page. Log in with your Google account or sign up if you don't have one. The registration process is quite simple. After registration, you'll be directed to the ChatGPT homepage. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence software that can write anything you request. Most of you are probably already familiar with ChatGPT. All you need to do is go to the Send Message section, type in your request for ChatGPT, and press Enter. Make sure to watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing the exact strategy I used to earn $798 myself in the second part of the video. Now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a quality blog article about a top 10 list after hitting Enter. I'll wait a few seconds for the article to be generated. Once the article is ready, I'll share it with you. If you're not satisfied with the first article, you can simply ask ChatGPT to write a different one. You can repeat this process until you find an article you like. Once you've chosen an article, copy the entire text from ChatGPT. Then, return to listverse.com, navigate to the submission forum, and submit your article there. Simply click and follow the instructions on the page. A tip to remember is to submit articles on a variety of topics and submit as many as you can to maximize your earnings. Not every article you submit will be accepted, but the more you submit, the higher your chances of getting some approved. Now, I'll show you another way to profit significantly using these same articles. I've personally made about $800 so far with this method. It's not as simple as the first method, but it has the potential to earn you much more money. It's not difficult, but it does require more effort. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Next, visit socialblade.com, a website that displays the earnings of YouTube channels. For instance, a YouTube Shorts channel called Top 10er earns between $10,000 to $27,000 per month just by creating top 10 Shorts videos, and they even make up to $220,000 per year. I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. If you visit their channel, you'll see that they have over 100,000 subscribers, and all they do is make top 10 type videos. For example, Top 10 countries with the highest male population and top 10 countries with the best transportation systems, among others. Some of these videos have millions of views. All of these are generated by AI, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. It's quite easy. You'll need to visit a website called Invido.io. Invido has an AI text-to-video software that you can use to create videos like these in less than a minute. First, create your account, click Sign Up, fill out your information like your name, email, and password, and hit Create Account. They offer both a paid version and a free version. Choose the one that suits you. Once you log into your account, you'll see your dashboard. Next, you'll want to click on the option that says AI Text-to-Video, which will take you to a new page. Here, you'll need to adjust the aspect ratio to portrait as we'll be creating YouTube Shorts. You'll notice a variety of templates available for use. Choose any template that appeals to you. For instance, let's select this one. It will then play the video template. Ensure you watch the entire video. If it doesn't meet your expectations, feel free to try another one. Once you find a template you like, click on Use Templates. You'll be directed to a page where you can convert your script into an engaging video in just a few minutes. All you need to do is paste your script into the provided field detailing what you want the video to cover. After that, click Create Screens, and your video will be created in a few seconds using the chosen template and your script. This process is similar to how ChatGPT works. That's all for today's video. If there's something in the video you didn't understand, that's okay. You can re-watch the video for a better understanding, or let me know in the comments.